Point Nemo is one of the most isolated places on Earth, known as the oceanic pole of inaccessibility. Located in the South Pacific Ocean, it is the farthest point from any land, situated approximately 2,688 kilometers, 1,450 nautical miles, from the nearest islands. The name Nemo comes from Jules Verne's character Captain Nemo in 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea, reflecting the site's remote and mysterious nature. Point Nemo lies at approximately 48 degrees 52.6 S 123 degrees 23.6 W in the Pacific Ocean. Its closest neighbors are tiny, uninhabited islands, such as Ducie Island, part of the Pitcairn Islands, Motu Nui, near Easter Island, and Mahé Island off the coast of Antarctica. Incredibly, due to the remoteness, the nearest human beings are often astronauts orbiting in the International Space Station, ISS, which passes overhead at a distance of roughly 400 kilometers, 250 miles. The region around Point Nemo is part of the South Pacific Gyre, a massive ocean current that is low in nutrients and has minimal biological activity. This ocean desert has relatively few marine species compared to other parts of the Pacific, making it an area of sparse life. Point Nemo's remoteness makes it an ideal spacecraft graveyard for deorbiting defunct satellites, space stations, and other debris. Since the 1970s, space agencies, including NASA, the European Space Agency, ESA, and the Russian Space Agency, have been using this location to safely dispose of space hardware, minimizing the risk to human life and ecosystems. The most notable object deorbited here was the Mir space station in 2001, and it is expected that the International Space Station, ISS, may one day be brought down over Point Nemo when it is retired. Point Nemo's isolation has made it a site of scientific curiosity, especially for understanding remote marine ecosystems, ocean currents, and the unique environmental conditions of the South Pacific Gyre. However, studying this region is a challenge due to its inaccessibility and lack of resources nearby. Expeditions to the area are rare, and research depends largely on remote sensing data and specialized oceanic missions. Due to its remoteness and relative inaccessibility, Point Nemo has given rise to several myths and legends. In 1997, a mysterious underwater sound, known as the bloop, was detected near Point Nemo by the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, NOAA. This sound was initially speculated to be produced by a massive, unknown marine creature, though it was later attributed to an ice quake caused by large chunks of ice fracturing in Antarctica. In summary, Point Nemo is the most remote oceanic point on Earth, lying as far as possible from any land. Its isolation has made it both a spacecraft cemetery and a place of scientific intrigue, representing one of Earth's least accessible locations with sparse life and unique environmental conditions. Thank you for watching. We have some amazing videos coming up, so stay tuned and make sure to hit the subscribe button.